Today, kids are gonna play kids toys, and he got balls, candy, and
Tic Tac Toy.
yeah, I don't forgot their name.
Addie and Maya.
Addie and Maya toys, Tic Tac Toy. That means XO. Whoa! And there's gonna be pets and wings. You can swap them. See right here? What's that one? Here's their family. Daddy and Mom. And I have a little brother. I want to open this one first. Then I'll these candies. Uh-oh. And I want to open this. So hold on. Here, just open that. And Daddy and Maya, you can see Eddie and Maya. I'm going to open this one. What is it? Look, it's a blind bag. I open the O. What did I get? I think it's wings. I hope it's the wings. Open like a chipsa bag. Open like a chipsa bag. Now what is it? What is it? Ooh. It's wings. Kids, it's blue wings. Blue wings. Yeah, look. Blue. They're so bluey. It's for the pet. Okay, one blue wings. Okay. I'll open this one. Oh yay! It's number 7. I'm gonna open number 7.
Number 7.
Yeah. I hope it's a pet. It's number 7. Number 7. Number 7. This blind bag is too heavy to get out. This is a big blind bag. This is a big blind bag. I don't know, maybe there's a pet inside. I hope wait, we make off the cat. Yes, he has blue wings. Whenever I'm going to get that one, I will be so excited. Kitty for her wings. Let me kitty. I'm going to put her wings on.
Which kitty do you have? This one?
No, that's a pig. This is a kitty.
Luna?
Yeah, this one. See the
Got a
button.
Luna. You got
And
Luna.
I want to get this wing. You put her wings? No, don't put the blind. Yes, you put blind back. You put your wings on her wings. I put my teeth. Look at my wings. Hi, sis.
Hi.
Look at my wings. I see your wings.
Yes.
Wow. Looky.
Yes.
Wait. Let's open the next surprise. Here's your umbrella, sis. Hello. I'm present. Did you open this one? I hope it's a bracelet.
Bracelet. No? Is it empty?
No, I don't think.
Oh, this is a pink. It's a pink.
Yeah, but wait, you don't have another girl.
Oh, we don't have any rings, bracelets.
But which one I got? This one is small. See? And actually this one. Good, but you don't have another girl, but maybe it belongs to her.
Yeah.
But there's no hole. But we can have more of them.
Yeah.
Wait,
Tic Tac Toy. Come and see you next week.
but you're not done. You have to open candy. I'm preparing. It's for the little one. Is it gumball? Is it cherry? I like to taste it. No. Taste it looks yummy. I like to taste it. When you taste it, it looks yummy, kids. Kids, it looks yummy, huh? You want to eat it? You want to eat it? Hey, no, that's dangerous. Uh-oh, one fell down. Kids, these are all for Addie and Maya. Right now, kids, you put them right there. Where's no?